I drop a bag on the roads with the Tim tags. My niggas lock scamming money out they pen pals. I know a bitch busted open in the club, introduce you to the plug, 10 plates for like 10 cash. I got a call, told him meet me in the back streets. Got out the Jeep just to fuck him in the backseat. I'm not impressed, I said yo the D mad weak. Hit my niggas up, I got him robbed and that ass beat. I tell him that he had the chance of a lifetime. Who wanna be a millionaire? I'm your lifeline. These bitches always checking for me like a Nike sign. Niggas always frontin' when they only take some light time. Beep, 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 is that bleep? Is that you talking to me? Is that deep? If I don't even know you exist, is that beef? When niggas get their jaw broke, is that teeth? Murder, 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 murder. Murder, 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 murder.